Everyone is perfectly aware that today's Sorento isn't your grandfather's cheap crossover, but what Kia has been doing lately goes beyond impressive. Today, this is easily one of the best models in the class, and for the next year, things are getting even better than that, turning even the biggest skeptics into believers. There are at least 7 ways that the 2026 Kia Sorento turns Kia critics into cheerleaders. Let's check them out. Number 7. Luxurious interior that shames premium competitors. Gone are the days when stepping into a Kia meant being greeted by a sea of gray plastic that looked like it belonged in a 1990s economy car. The transformation has been absolutely stunning. We're talking about premium leather appointments, soft touch surfaces throughout the cabin, and build quality that rivals vehicles costing twice as much. The dashboard design follows a sophisticated BMW-inspired flat panel layout that looks modern and upscale without trying too hard. Those cheap, hard plastics that used to define Kia interiors, they've been completely eliminated in favor of materials that actually feel luxurious to the touch. What's really impressive is the attention to detail. Ambient lighting flows seamlessly through the cabin, while stitched surfaces on door panels and seat inserts create an upscale appearance that would make German luxury manufacturers take notice. The fit and finish is so precise that you'll forget you're sitting in a vehicle that starts at just over $30,000. Even the base trim levels are getting premium treatment. Where competitors are cutting costs with cheaper materials on entry-level models, Kia is loading the Sorento with features and finishes that used to be reserved for top-tier luxury SUVs. This isn't just incremental improvement. It's a complete reimagining of what an affordable 3-row SUV interior can look like. Number 6. Long list of standard and available features. While other manufacturers are nickel and diming customers for basic features, the 2026 Sorento is coming loaded with technology and convenience features that would cost thousands extra on competing vehicles. This is where Kia's value proposition becomes absolutely undeniable. Right from the base LX trim, you're getting a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and a comprehensive suite of safety features that includes blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. Most competitors are charging extra for these features or reserving them for higher trim levels, but Kia is making them standard across the lineup. The feature list just keeps getting better as you move up the trim levels. We're talking about things like a surround view camera system, wireless device charging, heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose audio system, and even a household-style power outlet. The top-tier SX Prestige is bringing features like a rear camera mirror, memory settings for the driver's seat, and rear sunshades. What's particularly impressive is how Kia is implementing these features. The infotainment system is responsive and intuitive, the safety technologies actually work seamlessly without false alerts, and the convenience features feel genuinely useful rather than gimmicky. This isn't just a long list of features for the sake of marketing. These are thoughtfully integrated systems that enhance the ownership experience. Number 5. Generous first and second row passenger space. Despite being positioned as a more compact alternative to larger 3-row SUVs, the 2026 Sorento is delivering passenger space that rivals vehicles in higher size classes. This is where smart packaging and engineering really pay off for buyers. The first 2 rows are genuinely spacious and comfortable. We're talking about 41.4 inches of front legroom and 41.7 inches in the second row, numbers that actually exceed what you'll find in many dedicated 2-row SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Taller adults are going to have plenty of space, and the seating position provides excellent visibility thanks to generous window areas. The second row captain's chairs available on higher trims are particularly impressive. These aren't just basic seats. They're firm, supportive, and more comfortable than the bench seats found in many competing SUVs. The ability to choose between a 7-passenger bench configuration and 6-passenger captain's chairs gives families flexibility that many competitors simply don't offer. What makes this space utilization even more remarkable is that Kia has achieved it without making the Sorento unwieldy. At 189 inches long, it's still manageable for daily driving and parking. Yet it's providing interior space that competes with much larger vehicles. This is the sweet spot that many families have been looking for. Genuine 3-row capability without the hassles of driving a massive SUV. Number 4. Broad range of powertrain options. While most competitors are limiting buyers to 1 or maybe 2 engine choices, the 2026 Sorento is offering 3 distinct powertrain options that cater to completely different priorities and driving styles. This level of choice is becoming increasingly rare in today's market. The base 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder is providing 191 horsepower and solid fuel economy for buyers who prioritize efficiency and affordability. This isn't a penalty box engine. It's delivering adequate performance for most driving situations while keeping costs down and maintenance simple. For buyers who want more performance, the turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder is pumping out 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine transforms the Sorento into a genuinely quick SUV that can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in around 6.3 seconds. That's faster than most V6-powered competitors and puts the Sorento in sports car territory for acceleration. The hybrid powertrain is where things get really interesting. Based on a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with an electric motor, the system is producing 227 horsepower while delivering exceptional fuel economy. But Kia isn't stopping there. The plug-in hybrid variant is cranking out 261 horsepower while offering up to 30 miles of all-electric driving range. This variety means buyers aren't forced into compromises. Want maximum efficiency? Choose the hybrid. Need towing capability and performance? Go with the turbo. Looking for the ultimate in efficiency with electric driving capability? The plug-in hybrid has you covered. Number 3. Impressive fuel economy and range with hybrid models. The standard hybrid is achieving 36 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway with front-wheel drive. Even with all-wheel drive, it's maintaining 34 miles per gallon combined. But here's the real game changer, with the Sorento's generous 18.5-gallon fuel tank that translates to over 600 miles of driving range on a single tank of gas. Think about what that means for real-world ownership. Most families are going to be able to drive for over a week without stopping for fuel. Road trips become less stressful when you can cover vast distances without constantly planning fuel stops. This kind of range is usually associated with diesel-powered vehicles, but the Sorento is achieving it with a clean, efficient hybrid system. The plug-in hybrid is taking efficiency to an even higher level, with 76 miles per gallon equivalent combined and 30 miles of all-electric range. Many owners are going to be able to handle their daily commutes without using any gasoline at all. For families with shorter daily drives, this could mean filling up the gas tank just a few times per year. What makes these numbers even more impressive is that the hybrid systems aren't compromising on capability. The all-wheel drive system remains fully functional, towing capacity is maintained, and the driving experience actually improves thanks to the instant torque delivery from the electric motors. Number 2. Enjoyable driving manners. The ride quality is where the Sorento really shines. The suspension has been tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining good body control, creating a driving experience that feels more refined than vehicles costing significantly more. Road noise has been kept to a minimum thanks to improved sound insulation, making long highway drives comfortable for all passengers. Handling is surprisingly composed for a 3-row SUV. The steering provides good feedback without being overly heavy, and there's minimal body roll when cornering. The turbocharged engine delivers power smoothly and predictably, making highway merging and passing effortless. What's particularly impressive is how well the Sorento manages different driving situations. It's comfortable and serene for daily commuting, confident and capable on highway trips, and surprisingly competent when the pavement ends. The available X-Pro trim adds all-terrain tires and additional ground clearance for families who want light off-road capability. Number 1. Value hard to beat. The Sorento is starting at just over $31,000 for a well-equipped 3-row SUV. Compare that to competitors like the Honda Pilot, which starts significantly higher, or premium-branded 3-row SUVs that can easily reach $50,000 or more. You're getting luxury-level features and refinement at a price point that makes 3-row capability accessible to a much broader range of families. But the value story goes deeper than just the purchase price. Kia's industry-leading warranty coverage includes a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's peace of mind that luxury brands simply don't offer, providing protection that could save thousands in potential repair costs. The hybrid models are extending the value proposition even further. With their exceptional fuel economy and 600-plus mile driving range, owners are going to save significant money at the gas pump while reducing their environmental impact. Over the life of the vehicle, these fuel savings could easily offset the small premium for the hybrid powertrain. When you factor in the strong resale values that Kia vehicles are now commanding, the total cost of ownership becomes even more attractive. The days of Kia vehicles depreciating rapidly are over. Today's Kias are holding their value competitively with mainstream competitors while offering significantly more features and refinement. With all this in mind, the Sorento stands as an obvious choice for a 3-row SUV, but it's not like it's the only one. Check out this video about 6 reasons to wait for the 2026 Mazda CX-90, which you can now see on the screen. Mazda's flagship continues to impress all of us with the level of luxury buyers are getting in today's mainstream segment.